Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to direct test hiring. So I uploaded one video on our channel latest, but I think due to some error the video is not completed. That's why I am uploading the next video, and in this video we will discuss about all the important points, number of section, test deadline for web engineer trainee. Okay, because in the previous video I think the sections is not covered completely. Okay, so let's start. So basically if you applied web engineer trainee exam mail received by you, so first section is attention to details visual image based question. So what does it means? So basically in the image based question you have to find differences in image. Okay, suppose they will give you one image and they will ask questions in the right side, like what are the number of squares in the particular image. Okay, like what are the difference in the image. So questions according to the image based will be like you have to find differences in images. Okay, like matching identical images. Okay, and you have to identify patterns basically that is related to. So there is a image based question. They will give one image and you have to answer the following question. Okay, that is related to the image based topic. So let's discuss about the second important section, that is related to CSS. So for CSS I already mentioned like basically in the previous video, but the previous video is not completed, that I am mentioning again. For CSS you can directly go to W3 School website and check the concept that is related to syntax. Okay, what is related to advanced CSS styles. Okay, and what are the CSS layout and the basic details of CSS, because in the web engineer trainee examination they mention that this is a skills based opportunity. Okay, so for CSS directly go to the W3 School website and you can revise CSS. Okay, ये आगे भी काम आ जाएगा because they mention in the skill set that CSS is very important. And the third section is cultural ad. So what does it means by the cultural ad? So basically for the cultural ad they will give you like 1 to 2 question in which you have to choose option. Okay, that is related to particular qualities, या उन्होंने आपको यहाँ पर कुछ मतलब ऑप्शंस दे दिए जिसमें से यहाँ पर आपको पर्टिकुलरली क्वालिटीज और सारी चीज़ें चेक करनी पड़ेगी, जिससे कि वो बताना पड़ेगा आपको आंसर कि हाँ ये क्वालिटी रहना चाहिए. बेसिक क्वेश्चंस दैट इज रिलेटेड टू कल्चरल एड. And fourth is understanding instruction. It is very important section in which one of the most important point, suppose they will give you this type of question in which in which they are mentioning that suppose there are set of instruction. उन्होंने यहाँ पर line 1 दी और यहाँ पर last line दी. Okay, and उन्होंने यहाँ पर आपको एक audio भी दे दी. In the side they will mention the audio. So you have to completely understand both the importance, like you have to completely understand the statement and audio, then answer the following question. Okay, so this is understanding the instructions. Means कुछ instructions दिए आपको उन्हें समझना है, then answer करना है. So it will be also in audio format as well. So they will give you instructions as well and audio format as well, then you have to answer the following question. Okay, so that is related to basically understanding instructions. And in the instruction there are 3 types, like there is a visual instruction as well, verbal instruction as well, and written instructions as well. तो इसको आप एक रीजनिंग टाइप और वर्बल टाइप भी बोल सकते हैं, जिसमें आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे, आपको आंसर करने हैं. ओके, देन द नेक्स्ट इज रिलेटेड टू टाइपिंग टेस्ट. सो बेसिकली इन द टाइपिंग टेस्ट वो आपका कैपिटलाइजेशन एंड सारी चीज़ें चेक करेंगे. सो सपोज दे विल गिव द पैराग्राफ एंड पैराग्राफ, सो यू हैव टू जस्ट टाइप एंड लाइक बेसिकली आप मिस्टेक्स का ध्यान रखिएगा, कोई भी मिस्टेक्स नहीं करनी है, जिससे कि आपके ओवरऑल स्कोर पे परफॉर्मेंस पड़े. एंड द लास्ट इज वीडियो क्वेश्चन इन विच दे विल गिव यू 2 to 3 क्वेश्चन in which like they will ask why should we hire you and what are the qualities, what are your skill set that is related to this role. So the camera and mic is on, you have to record the video and upload. Okay, so after that, after completing the examination, you will receive the result, okay, because there is a immediate result, so in which you will see the particular sections score set. This is very very important to understand, and this is a immediate result. So there is a section wise जिसमें आपको सारे results के बारे में पता चल जाएगा. And there is important point that 70% cut off, like 70% minimum score is required to qualify, and this is related to PCAT test, that is a preliminary candidate assessment test, in which there is a 5 section, okay, and after that there is a functional technical round and HR round. So that is a technical round and HR round. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Thanks for watching the video.